Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Weekend with Reigncane. I'm Brian, host of the show, co-founder of Reigncane. Today we have ourselves, well, we always have a special Weekend with Reigncane episode, but today is special because our Moscow Mule mugs are here, so we get to make ourselves a mule, which I love Moscow mules. Let me talk about these for 1 second. They're stainless steel, so you're not going to have copper leaching into your drinks. We did not skimp out on them. These things are awesome. They look great, don't they? Logos are embossed on both sides. They feel good in your hand. They're a 16-ounce cup. So these are a nice size Moscow Mule mugs. They're not some cheap little tin can thing. And they're free with 6 bottles or more. Go snag them. They're also on our website for purchase under the bar accessories page. Now, let's get to the Moscow Mule. The nice thing about a Moscow Mule is that you can just build it right into the glass. Don't necessarily need to shake anything. First thing we're gonna do is half of a lime squeezed in there. Next up, I'm gonna go with 2 ounces of Reigncane, and we're gonna crush up some ice to put in there. Throw some ginger beer on top. Love ginger beer. Now this is a little bit of an unconventional step, but throwing a little fresh ginger on top just really brings this cocktail to life. I love it. Throw some mint in there, along with some fresh ginger and a lime wedge. And that, my friends, looks like a delicious cocktail, man. Sayonara to Brian, I'm gonna have a few of these tonight. Give it a little light stir. There we go. That, you really can't beat a Moscow Mule. And these things are delicious. You know what's funny about a Moscow Mule is that I do not like ginger, candied ginger. There's only 2 instances where I will tolerate ginger and actually really enjoy it. Every other application of ginger or instance where you'd be eating ginger, I do not like it. And it is with sushi and number 2 and a Moscow Mule. And I love it with both. And every other way, I do not like ginger. Candied ginger, ugh, tastes like soap to me. But ginger in a Moscow Mule is freaking delicious. Man, and out of a Reigncane Vodka Moscow Mule mug, would you look at that? The day has come, ladies and gentlemen. We have Moscow Mule mugs. That is so exciting. If nobody likes them but me, I'm still happy with it because I love them. So cheers. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I hope you guys pick up a Moscow Mule set, and I can't wait to see all the Moscow Mules that you guys make using them. Cheers. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys next weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, if you made it this far in the video, I'm gonna throw in a special little treat for you. Go onto the website, order anything you want. Anything. Send me an email after you do saying Moscow Mule sets or something about Moscow Mules. I'm gonna pick the very first person that does this, okay? Place an order for anything you want. Send me an email about something Moscow Mules. The first person to do it gets a set, the silver ones or the copper ones, your choice, and I'll throw it in with your order. So, cheers. See you guys next weekend.